Hi everyone, thanks for joining for week 4 puppy school. For week 4 puppy school, I'll be talking about desexing and going into trick training. The benefits to desexing your female dog or male dog. If you are planning on desexing your dog and have already decided that, we do recommend about 6 months of age, or if you do have a giant breed, I would suggest to consult your vet. Desexing a female dog. Key benefits to desexing your female dog. For starters, you are stopping that cycle happening. So we call it a heat for your dog, and that comes on every 6 months. So when your dog is a puppy, it can start off between 6 to 12 months of age, and then from that first cycle, they will have another one in 6 months. Each cycle can last up to 2 to 4 weeks, and that is when they can be mated from. That is when they have a bleed as well. So if you do have an inside dog, that is when you'll find blood spots around the house, especially if you've got carpet, you'll see that. So that is something you do have to worry about. You can use nappies on your dog. You cut a hole for their tail, you take it off every time they need to go out to the toilet. But if you have an inside dog, that can stop that bleeding mess. Desexing also eliminates ovarian cancer and reduces the risk of mammary cancers. It also stops pyometras, which is an infection in the uterus. Desexing your male dog eliminates testicular cancer, reduces risk of prostate cancers and issues like infections and enlargements, and it also reduces the risk of hernias associated with testosterone. Desexing your dog can also eliminate some behaviour issues like fighting or escaping the yard. So it can eliminate fighting behaviours between other undesexed dogs, female or male, and also unwanted escaping behaviour. So you don't want your dog to get hit by a car or picked up and stolen. It can eliminate that behaviour due to the fact that they can't smell another dog on heat, or they don't want to be mated themselves. Desexing also eliminates pets being abandoned on the streets or into the pounds, having to be euthanised or rehomed. Teaching your dog tricks can be a fun and exciting way to keep your dog bonded and entertained. So when you are starting to teach your dog tricks, you can use unwanted behaviours, and if you think that that can be trained into a trick, you can give it a command, or you can actually train a trick. Teaching your dog how to shake. Hold the treat at their face and they will bring their paw up to paw and beg for that treat. Getting them to put their paw up is just holding the treat higher. If your dog begins to start shaking every time you tell them to sit, stop asking them to shake and make sure both their paws go back on the ground until they go back into that perfect sit position. And then once they're doing it again by command, that's when you can start telling them to shake again. But if they start doing the shake without the command, go back to just telling them to sit. Teaching your puppy or dog to roll over. Getting your dog to sit, then lay, and then slowly have the treat to their side and slowly bring it up over their head into a roll position.
Shake hands, high five, kiss, drop. Good boy. Touch. Good boy. Just watch. Wait. Wait. Watch. Hey.
Lay. Stay. Leave it. Leave it. Good.
Stay. Good boy.
If you want to teach your dog some tricks, make sure you watch a couple of videos before you choose how to train that trick and see which is the best flowing and then go with that one. Thanks for watching week 4 of Puppy School.